just taking a break from working on cars and coming to 7-Eleven for our usual big gulp. Decided to try a new 7-Eleven here. Okay, just leaving the 7-Eleven. Going back to my place. What the? What was that? Wonder we haven't seen Corey in a while. Now we know what he's been up to. Have to come take a second look at this. Who that is?
Oh, hey guys, how's it going?
Going good. Can see you're not working on the truck.
No, you know, just trying to make a living here. 4-speeds aren't cheap. Didn't make any money yet, but guy's nice enough to give me a beer can and some copper wire. So it's a start. Anyway, I'll let you guys be to work. I might stop by later on and give you guys a hand.
That'd be much appreciated.
Alrighty, have a good one, guys. See you in a bit. Remember, like, share, and subscribe, and tell your friends. You can't get this shit anywhere else. Drive safe.
Well guys, on this episode of Penny's Hot Rods and Customs, we're going to do some minor things to the truck. I've got the rims installed here and the tires. I just sandblasted and painted them satin black. And a good friend of ours, Don, he mounted the tires this morning. So Chris is looking at some other small things we're going to do. He's got really bad hair today. Derek's working the camera. Ryan was here earlier. Corey hasn't showed up. But yeah, we're going to do some small things to this thing. Oh, speak of the clown.
Hey guys, I was out making some money. Anyway, I got a better idea. We don't know how to work on this. Let's go to Tim's there and I gotta go grab some Pontiac parts, so let's go do that today instead. This can wait for another day. Let's go. Okay. Okay, here's a project that I bought a couple years ago. Actually, it was 2 cars. I had the bright idea of turning this 55 Pontiac Post into a Chevy. So it was for, I think, $800 I bought the pair. I bought this 2-door Post, 55, and I bought a 55 Chevy 4-door. And I bought full of quarters for it, which we'll show you after this. But my intention was to make like a 2-lane blacktop style 55 Chevy. This one's actually fairly decent shape. The trunk lid's garbage, but we can use the one off the other car. Oh, here's where that other tranny went. Forgot where that went. But this one's actually not too bad. It's got your typical rust in spots. Trunk lid is no good, but like I said, the other car has a good one. The doors are in really nice shape. Rockers aren't too bad, but I'm thinking next year we're gonna maybe slowly make 2 out of the one and then try to sell them, because realistically you can't keep them all. And face it, I was originally maybe thinking about building it and just leaving it as a 55 Pontiac, but I already got the other one I drive around quite a bit. So, like I said, this car is actually pretty solid. I'm sure it's going to need all the typical floor repair and everything else like they all do. The old 6-cylinder, 3 on the tree. This will obviously all go out and probably just put a small block in it. Might even put a 4-speed in it.
That's what we're going in the trunk.
Yeah, I'm thinking that's probably, I'm wondering where that went. But like I said, it's a fairly complete car, and I think I bought the pair for, I think, $700 or $800. I can't remember. The rockers seem to be good, but if they need replacing, you can replace them. It's just weird how they rust there, but I guess this is the rubber bolt line for their, I guess, their inner fender well, how it all goes, and I guess everything just kind of sits in there and rots it out. But it's all complete, and it does have the proper front seat for it and everything like that, and we'll use and probably just end up getting it reupholstered. But like I said, realistically, we can't keep them all, but this was my plan to build a gasser out of it, but then I got that Henry J, which I'm still trying to find parts for. It seems to be getting difficult around here. But I'll go show you the 55 Chevy, the parts car.
Walk over the cow patties.
Yeah. Yeah, the wind is not nice today. But the front sheet metal on this car is really nice. The hood's got a small little crease in it, but we've got another spare hood. But the front fenders are really nice. The grille is really nice. And whatever other little parts we might need off it. Same thing, this one's a 6-cylinder automatic car. This one's actually not too bad. It's fairly solid. Just a lot of ugly moss on it. But Bug was robbed a bunch of parts for his 55 Chevy already off this thing, so. And I do believe, I could be wrong, but I'm almost certain, a few people have said that the trunk lids are all the same for 2 doors and 4 doors. If I'm wrong, please let me know, but I'm pretty sure they are. Like I said, at my place, I've got full quarters for that car. It's pretty bad when 2 quarter panels cost double the amount of what the cars cost. Yeah, typical. I said they all rot out in the floors. They're all, doesn't matter where you park them or whatnot, they just all deteriorate. Like I said, it's better than these cars going for scrap, so like I said, I did have the bright idea of building a 2-lane blacktop style car a few years ago, but things have always changed. But anyway, see you in a minute. Okay, we're just back at my place, and I just pulled out these quarters that we're going to probably use. Well, actually, we will be using. But when we do turn that Pontiac into a Chevy, like, we'll actually have the rear windows rolling up and down and all the mechanisms working as they should. I'm going to put my foot down and say we're going to radius out the wheel wells, because I think just 55 Chevys, that, in my opinion, is just goofy looking. I don't know, that's just me. Please don't leave a comment on that, but we all have opinions. For the 4-door there, I need the parts right here for the other part of the tail lights, so either we can cut them out of that car or just buy new ones. So I think over winter we'll probably start buying some parts, but we're not exactly sure how far we're going to go in this car, but either we're going to make it just a roller or actually put a motor and tranny in it and get it running, and then we can pass it along to somebody else. But you just got to realize at this point you can't keep all these cars, but
And by pass, we mean sell.
but yeah, exactly, sell and then put it into another project or so forth or whatnot. But like I said, these rear quarters were worth more than what I paid for the 2 cars. It's kind of weird how that goes, but it is what it is. So anyway, I hope you liked your little video. But like I said, we're just doing some brainstorming and thinking and over and whatnot, and it is what it is. Better than just sitting, so maybe somebody else can finish it off. You never know. But anyway, I hope you like this little video. Like and subscribe and all that good stuff. And yeah, next year we'll start piecing together a 55 at some point next year anyway. All right, have a great day.